party. This was a really fun installation, and I think we knocked it out of the park. What do you think,
I
Carrie?
love it. I'd love some tea.
Oh, yes. Join us for tea right here on our YouTube channel, and we're going to show you how we did this from start to finish. So leave a comment, let us know if you love Alice in Wonderland, if you're a Mad Hatter fan, because we're all mad here.
Join us.
That's right. Follow us down the rabbit hole as we show you how we made this beautiful installation come to life, and let us know what you think. You ready? All right, so we are cutting our little carpet here so we can put the poles and make it nice and neat. Look how nice they did. It's a good job. And then we're going to use some gaffer's tape to hold our arch in place, but this is what it's looking like so far. And I think everybody is excited and impressed. So it takes just a little bit of creativity. You know, it's one thing to imagine this, and then it's another thing to get in here and make it work. We have tons of teapots, teacups, and all of this is going to hang down. So Mom and I were thrifting and trying to find some really great teapots and teacups, and then we actually glued the lids down with hot glue. Well, we didn't glue this one. Quality control. I don't know what happened, but Mom didn't glue it down. Shh, don't say anything. Here's our table. We made the decision. Mom's going to end up cutting this paper to completely cover the table, and then we're going to come with the pink stripe runner. I think that's going to look really cute. What are you doing, Lane?
I went to get sand.
What are we going to do with it?
We're going to weigh down the arches.
Awesome. This is a Hester & Cook table runner, and we're using 2 papers right here, and then we're going to put a runner down the middle. Mom's tracing the edge so that it's cut perfectly.
Well,
kind of perfectly.
not as perfectly as I want.
Next step is Ben is putting in our beautiful moss-covered mushrooms. They're looking really, really good. You know, anytime we do a project like this, we're never exactly sure what it's going to look like 100%. We have the idea, but I think it's coming together really, really nice. We've got tours going on in the middle of all of this. We have kids crying because they're at story time, and maybe it's nap time or they're hungry. I'm not sure. It's getting close to noon. So, but let me just show you where we're at so far. Who put stuff on the table?
Amber,
What'd she do?
she put a mushroom on my table. I told her,
Amber.
don't be putting anything on my table. And what did she do? There it is. It's just like when she was a little girl. She made messes everywhere.
It's the last. We're hanging teacups everywhere. We are all mad here.
I am getting all these little teacups ready to go because what's the Mad Hatter party without 1,000 teacups, right? Well, we've got a lot of them.
All right, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned because you never know what we're doing next. I mean, who knew we were going to be doing this?
The rabbit.
The rabbit knew, the white rabbit. And we follow the white rabbit right here to the Philbrook for the Art and Bloom Festival. And we are right here in the rotunda, right when you walk in, which is just an amazing spot.
Oh, it is. I love it. It's a beautiful, beautiful building and beautiful art and a wonderful event.
So we are the selfie station. So everybody's gonna be taking their pictures around here and pretending like they're having a Mad Hatter tea party too. So a very merry birthday
To you.
to you.